Hi, how you doing? Chuck here, Sound Survival Tactics. And in this video, I'm going to be going over some Escrima stick fighting drills to help you learn Escrima at home. Now, if you're not aware what Escrima is, it's a Filipino martial art trained with sticks as well as bladed weapons like knives and machetes. And in today's video, I'm just going to be using my sticks here. And to start off, I'm going to go over the box theory real quick. Now, this my knowledge comes from the Latosa Escrima system, and I'll leave a link to Grandmaster Latosa's website in the description below. And you can go check out Grandmaster Latosa. He's one of the best Escrima teachers in the world. So the box theory is dividing the target up to 4 different quadrants or 4 different zones. And for here, it's going to be your zones are related to the strikes. There's going to be 4 strikes that I'm going to be going over. The 1, 2, 3, 4 strikes, and they are referred to as such. And they relate to the zones as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is related to your target, and imagine if I'm your target and you're looking at me, it's going to look like 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Boom, boom. 3, 4. Either way. So take this away. Just remember, box goes out to your target here. It extends out, and when you're going to be striking, you want to be aiming at the zones, not the target. And I'll go over why here in a little bit. So start off. You have your stick here. Always want to keep your other hand kind of tight if you're just a single stick. And now for the one strike, if you remember, the one zone is here. Okay, there's your one strike, that zone right there. Okay, 2, there's your 2, number 2 zone, number 2 strike. Okay. 3, right? Comes back up, 3. There's your 3. And then for 4, here, 4. Okay? Number 4 zone. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now getting back to aiming at the zone as opposed to trying to extend to the target. You want to try to make contact with the top 4 inches of the stick here and not reach. If you start reaching, you're going to be leaving yourself all exposed. Okay, so zone, strike to the zone here. You have all this coverage, keeping yourself in the game. Don't start extending out here. All right, this is not good. Here, boom, boom. Kind of a circular motion here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have somebody to practice with, this is your basic drill to start off with. You're both going to be doing these strikes here. 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 3, 4. If you have somebody to practice with, try that out. You let me know how it goes. Now, this can also be translated to empty hand, which is one of the beauties of the system. So, say for instance, sudden act of extreme violence, you're in a confrontation, you don't have any type of weapon in your hand, but you have your cell phone. Okay. Now, if the person attacking you has a weapon in their hand and you're not able to get away, first thing is to find a weapon, and it can be anything, right? But the one thing that most people will already have in their possession, and they're not aware that it can be used as a weapon, is their cell phone. So if we think about the number 1 and the number 2 strikes, okay, this is your number 1. Imagine you're holding the stick. All right, the bottom of the stick is the bottom of your cell phone. 1, and then you can do it here 2, right? So if you're looking at your phone, all of a sudden you need to use it. There's your 1 strike, using your phone as a weapon. It could be a very effective self-defense tool. Okay, or here, right? So that's how these strikes can translate to empty hand and be utilized in a self-defense situation. So those are some basic Escrima stick fighting drills that you can practice at home. If you like the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you know somebody else that's interested in Escrima or martial arts in general, self-defense, share it out. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, to be notified of future videos. And until the next one, take care, and we'll see you later.